Hey everybody, Steve Fix here. We're going to show you how to properly diagnose a bad wheel hub bearing. This particular car has bad wheel hub bearings in both. They're less than a year old, and I'm going to be replacing them later this week, and I'll make some videos on that. But in the meantime, what you do is you jack the car up. Got a jack stand under here. It's not off the ground by a lot, but it's off enough that I can move it. So you grab it at the 12 and 6 positions, and hopefully you guys can see that and you can hear that. That's an incredible amount of movement right there. This thing should not be moving at all. And then you go over here at 9 and 3. Again, that's much more play than you should ever be getting in anything. The most should be a tiny little bit, maybe about a fifth of that, and probably about a tenth of that. So, and you can see that. All right, folks. So now what you're looking at is you're looking at the underside of the car. This right here is your tie rod, which essentially has a ball joint inside of it. That is your sway bar link pin. And right over here, what we're looking at is we are looking at the ball joint from the control arm. So I'm going to have my assistant grab the wheel at 9 and 3. You guys see that movement? It's not coming from the tie rod. The tie rod is totally straight. It's not coming from the ball joint down below. Ball joint is fine. See? I grab it. My assistant's going to grab it at 6 and 12. You hear that, people? Listen to that. That is insane. So that's how you properly diagnose a bad wheel hub assembly. Some people will tell you, based on one way or the other, that'll tell you how it is if you grab it at 12 and 6 or if you grab it at 9 and 3. But in this case, we're grabbing it at both 12 and 6 and 9 and 3, and then we're actually coming here and looking at the back side of the car, just like we did before, guys. Look at it. You don't even have to grab it at 2. You can just grab it at 1. See, look at that. And this one here too. See? Much too much play. Much too much play. That is definitely a wheel hub bearing. And later this week, I will show you guys how to replace the wheel hubs. Thanks.